Hi and welcome back to my YouTube channel, Thrive Alive Academy. I'm your host Megan Harris and I'm so glad you could join me today. So in this wonderful weather we are having in California, I decided that today I would share about another thing that so many of us are not aware of, and that is your household cleaning products. I can't even begin to tell you how toxic they are for you. Did you know that there is no single regulation law at all on how they are governed? Let me just say that there are no federal regulations in terms of household cleaning products and what ingredients they can put inside that you are buying every day and taking and using every single day. Let me tell you, the research has shown that there are 62 toxic chemicals in an average home. And I kind of am not sure that that's completely accurate, because in one product alone you can get 141 toxic chemicals just in one product that you are using. And when we clean our homes, we have so many products, right? You have a tile cleaner, an oven cleaner, a floor cleaner, a multi-purpose cleaner, a shower cleaner, a bathroom cleaner, a wood cleaner. Everyone loves Lysol. Please, I cannot stress this enough. Lysol is so toxic for you. Please throw it away. Go find it in your home and throw it away with immediate effect. Lysol is not your friend, and they don't even list the ingredients on the bottle. When companies don't list something on the bottle, why? They're trying to hide something. We need to learn these things. We need to become aware that products out there are not our friends. We can't just go and buy like in the good old days and think that, hey, it's for sale, so it must be safe. That is not the case at all. They are one of the worst offenders is your cosmetics, your toiletries, and your household cleaning products. And so did you know a list of items that they use are things like chlorine, bleach, parabens, phthalates, fragrances. The word fragrance covers up to 3,000 ingredients just by seeing fragrance. I mean, they're whacking us with so much toxins, you just can't believe it. There'll be things like hydrochloric acid, sulfuric acid, your BPAs, fluoride. Then you've got things like SLS and your SLAs and your glycerine, and there are just so many toxic ingredients. And you know what they cause? Let me tell you, these are just some of them. It's cancers, it's neurotoxicity, which is your brain and nervous system. It creates diabetes, obesity, even sexual dysfunction. Then there is breathing issues like asthma, and then also just overall immunity issues, sexual dysfunction, hormone disruptor of note, hormone issues. So especially if you have someone with an autoimmune or PCOS or anything like that, you're not going to want to use your standard commercial household cleaning. So with all that being said, what can you use? Well, just like I've said, remember, there's no regulation. So even when they use the word safe or natural or organic, unless there's a certification logo on the bottle, don't always believe what they say, because greenwashing is rampant. So I'm going to introduce you to a product that is super clean, super safe, super healthy, no side effects, not toxic to you, safe for even your pets, and it is so user-friendly, easy to use, and you don't need a myriad of different products to clean your home. It is so simple. So who is it? It is Branch Basics. So it comes not in a plastic bag. It's a lovely linen bag, drawstring, so fabulous. And in here First of all, you find the concentration, 1 bottle. Now, usually we would look at that and go, well, that will be gone in like a week, right? Because we're used to just using something like this normally and using it for just the kitchen, for instance, and it's gone. This has so many purposes because it's so clean and healthy. It is used everywhere. So you get this bag, and this bag has so many different bottles inside. Can you see it there? There's actually 5 bottles inside. So for instance, here is the one for laundry. Okay, all you do is you follow the instructions on the bottle. Couldn't be simpler. All of this is all you need to clean your entire house in one bag, right? So you fill up. Here it gives you the line, water line, and the soap line. So you'd fill this up with water. You would then take this little guy over here, fill it up till that line. Then from that line to the top of the bottle, water again. Give it a good shake, and there's your laundry detergent. Then we do the same. This one is a streak-free, so this would be something you would clean your glass, any glass kind of container. So here again, this one, you're using the whole bottle with water. You just do 1 drop of the concentrate in here, give it a shake, boom, bang, and it's done. Next one. This one is your bathroom cleaner. It's all beautifully labeled, got different colors. It's just lovely. Here you go all the way. Ooh, this one's got a lot more water. You go water all the way up to there. You only put that amount of soap in it. Again, fill it up with water to the top. Give it a good shake. And boom, bang, Bob's your uncle. You're done. Then what else do we have here? An all-purpose cleaner. And please note this is all plant-based stuff, so it's super healthy. You could probably even eat it if you wanted to, but be a bit soapy. But other than that, you probably could. This one, you put water up to here all the way. You put teeny little bit about soap in there. Give it a good shake. And then we got our faithful foaming wash. So this could be used for so many things. A little bottle with the little push pump, which is so wonderful. And here you fill it up with water, only that amount of soap. So this will keep you going for a good couple of months, because once that's finished, you only probably would have gone down to about here, and then you can reuse it. So this will last you so long. And then along with this kit comes a beautiful thing for the laundry, also super safe, 100% natural. It's also vegan free. They don't do any testing on animals. Well, why would they? Because it's all plant-based. And it's also recyclable and biodegradable. So, I mean, what better do you want? You open it up. There's the washing powder. Oops, the sun reflection in there. A little scoop is provided. And in one bag, you've got months and months and months worth of cleaning stuff. And it is completely safe and natural to use. So, isn't that wonderful? All in one kit. When you go onto their website, there's different choices and different categories. You don't have to do this. You could just get a little starter kit if you want to try out of that, or you could choose different things. So there's options available to you. And so if you would like to go and test this out, feel free to do so. I'll drop the link below, their connection. And I am an affiliate for it because I love this brand so much. I've now become an affiliate for them. So I do get a small commission on there, just to be upfront about that. I love using them in my home. It smells great, it cleans wonderful, and I am super excited to know I'm doing myself a favor, my body a favor, and everyone else around me a huge favor. So I'm very environmentally conscious as well. So I know that anything left over, if I have to pour it down the sink as well, I'm not damaging anything in the process. So have a great day. Thank you for listening to this video, and I will see you in the next one.